Programu eje ya Presidential Industrial Skilling Hubs erangirirwa State House hamukoro gwo kwakira beje 15 abo murundi gwa mukaga barikuza kutendekwa omu matendekero 19 government yatandikireho.
President mukalora akawedde yasuubiza okwongerako industry hub 17 kurwo mujuzo ogubaddewo n'abantu okuyayanira programu eno. So twagala gituusa at least buli districts 5 zibeere ne industry hub yazo kati babeere nga basobola okukola ki okufuna skills ezo, tuongere ne ku namba y'Abannayuganda bafuna skills zino because abeetaaga skills be bangi.
President Yoweri Museveni akatandikaho amatendekero aga agarukuhereza Abanyayuganda emyoga erimu okwosa ebyoma, okukanika, okukora enkiito, okubiija, okubaziira ebiharani n'endijo mingi.
Industry hub is high because of the output which is giving out in the community. I really wish to thank the President for this great initiative which he has brought to Achule land. Our catchment area is Achule sub-region. We are working with the 8 districts, 1 city and 1 municipality in Achule sub-region. And I really wish to thank the stakeholders who are within the Achule sub-region, who are partnering with State House to implement this great initiative of the President. If I'm to tell you today, you may see these trainees, but you may not believe the output after 6 months. This is a 5-month free cost which is fully funded by State House.
Abantu abarukutendekerwa mu matendekero aga tiine sente zoona ezi barukushashura kandi abarukuheza kushoma baherwa certificate kuruga mu Uganda Vocational Training Assessment Board erikwingana n'owabahereze Uganda Certificate of Education.
And as you see, I hold this bag. This one made from student from last intake. We are doing various type of shoe like bag, jungle boots, moccasin shoe, derby shoe, mule shoe, and even the court shoe. But the last we are lacking for ladies and the sole. If it is supposed to be there, we will make all.
Denyo egasiza ere yambye nnyo ewadde abaana skills, abaana ne bafuna emirimu, abaana ne beeyiya era ne basobola n'okuyiiya abalala. Tulina abaana bangi mu bibuga ebyenjawulo wano mu Northern. Actually n'abamu nga baava wano, tulina omu eyava wano ali Tororo ng'akola projects up to Kenya akurosinga Malaba. Era ng'oyo alina contract yamuweebwa ne company nga Tororo Cement era naye akozesa banna abalala bangi.
Omunkorani yemwe President Museveni akataho programu ya Zaron ahiburisako harengo bwa district erikuhebwa $50,000,000 ezabo kuheza kushoma barukweguza kwetunga. Abwa TV West, Ndabud Karim, Sengendo.